What do you do, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day, and today is a beautiful day. Today we are putting the new wheels on the Integra Type R. So let me go upstairs, get the wheels, and I'll be right back. So we got everything right here. Time to load this into the car and we are out. Let's go. All right, you guys, so I finally brought, I brought the Integra here to the shop right here. Definitely be hooking me up. I got the wheels in the back. Let's get this Type R situated, man. Let's see, gotta unlock the door. So I got the wheels in the back. So let me just find out which one has. These wheels are so nice, y'all. Super nice. I'm the next person about to work on. Just trying to find the lug nuts, because I do have the lug nuts in here. And I didn't even show you guys the lug nuts that I did buy. The ones I got was lug nuts that I did buy were all black. Nothing fancy, just black. But eventually I'm gonna probably get like titanium or get red. I could have got red, but I didn't get it. So I think it's in here. Hold on, let me check. So these are the lug nuts that I did get. Got the black ones. Nothing fancy. Nice and black. Pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna put, and it comes with this. Got this off of Fitment Industries. But what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna run the center caps. The center caps I'm gonna take off. Make sure they take the center caps off, and I'm gonna replace it with Type R, the Type R center caps, just to make it look more doper to me. So that is the goal with all this. But yeah, so let me get this situated and we're gonna talk. Gotta get my thing fixed, man. Gotta get those wheels. All right, so we're getting this done. Make sure you guys go here. They be hooking you up, man, big time. Like real fast, good professional work. The wheels are here, man. That white on white Panda gang. But What we're gonna be doing is definitely about to be doing a rebrand launch for my Mortal Society company. Stay tuned for that. Should drop that next video. Not 100% sure. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be crazy. We're about to rebrand the company. Merchandise, stickers, everything like that coming. Key tags, everything. So if you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys do that. But man, it looks so good. I love this car, bro. It looks so good. Can't wait to see the white wheels on it. And then these ones, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell those wheels and put them up for offer. Anybody want to buy those wheels? Leave a comment or hit me up on Instagram. That thing looks so aggressive. Woo. And I just want to show you guys, that's my, you see the blue in here? That is the aftermarket suspension I run for Manzos, but I don't like it because it is a little too bouncy for my liking. And then the front is actually a nice tuck, but the back is still lifted up. So what I plan on doing is definitely get some coilovers. Probably get that next. I was trying to get the headers, but I think I might get the coilovers first, just because I want a better setup and I want to get some brakes and rotors. Because as you guys can see a lot of like rust. It's just because of, like I always say, it's coming from the East Coast in the snow. It's been in the snow a lot, so I want to retweak a lot of things. Just redo the whole suspension. Everything needs to get redone, so that's what we're going to do. Ooh, those look so sick. I'm gonna show you guys once the car is down, and we're gonna go to a different location to give you guys a better look. All right, guys, it is super hot. I'm not looking the greatest, but man, I'm excited to tell y'all these wheels are a game changer. This whole fitment is like perfect. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm about to actually pull over by this Honda dealership over here and show you guys how the car looks. It looks amazing, man. Like, wow. The wheels, it was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. And these are my first actual aftermarket wheels I ever bought for my car. Like, my 350Z had aftermarket wheels, but the previous owner I bought the car from, and all I did was powder coat them. But these wheels are legit. Man, shout out to the fitment industry, man. Great service. And like I said before in my previous video, I was supposed to get a bronze one, but the bronze was super back order and it was just taking too long. Called them, they took care of it. We switched it out. Had the white ones were available, same fitment, just different color, and I got them, man. So let's go see how it looks when I get out of here. All right, you guys. So these are how the wheels look. Damn fucking good. So I went with a size bigger. We went with the 17-inch wheels. The stocks are 16 Type S wheels, but we went with a bigger setup. I took the center caps off because eventually I'm going to get the Type R center caps, which is black with the red Honda. But man, this wheel, like, I didn't really understand how the wheels really changed the car. It changed it. Like, it looks so damn fucking good. This car looks so amazing. The wheels are definitely needed on this car. It looks so amazing. The fitment is insane. Let me go on this side. Let me show you guys. See how the wheels are, man. So yeah, like I said, I went with a size bigger. Went with some 17s. Oh my God, these are freaking beautiful. And I can't wait. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be changing the whole brakes and the rotors. So definitely gonna come with some new ones. And then, like I told you guys, the lug nuts that I do have on these are all black. Nothing super fancy, but just black. But they look good. Damn, they look good, man. So I'm loving how they look. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'm so in love with my car. Damn, man. Wheels really do change your car and how it looks. But this car is being built the correct way. We're doing everything the right way. And I'm so in love with it, man. Damn, it looks good. Well, let's hop in the car because it's super hot. Once I get back to the house, we'll talk a little bit more about this beautiful Type R. Let me just show you guys the back with the Integra Type R badge. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Looks so good. On my way going home, Jerry just got right behind me, so I'm about to show him how my wheels look. We're about to just take a little detour, show him how the wheels look. That's the first time he actually seen my wheels on my car. I don't know, did I even show him the wheels when it was in the box? I think I did. Yeah, I did. This is gonna be his first time seeing it on the car, so it's about to look super dope, man. Oh my God, these wheels, I'm telling you, it just hit different when it's your own car though. But yeah, it looks good, man. Man, such a nice ass day. Super sunny out here in the Bay Area. Super nice. All right, let's see. Man, I'm super happy how this build is coming along. I'm building it the right way. No rushing. Giving my car the proper stuff that it needs. I love it. I love these wheels. I love them. I'm not, like I told you guys, I'm not really a big wheel person. Whatever looks good, I don't give a damn what brand it is. I love it. Doesn't make sense to spend $5+ grand on some TEs, and I'm going to actually race this car. You know what I'm saying? If I damage those or scrape those from racing, I'd be so fucking pissed. So I went with the Admin, and I love them. Super, super sick. We just gotta see what Jerry's response is to how they look, man. Ugh, man. Let's see how our homie Jerry, man. But bro, Jerry, you just get off of work?
Just got off work.
Hey. Okay. Oh, you finally got the thing, huh?
I finally got the. Oh my goodness, bro. That shit took my so much more. That's what happened, bro.
What?
I'm on my way to work, and I'm on like 280.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Oh, that's nothing. That's just a clamp.
Though. No, but that's not even it, though. My front bumper got fucked up because it was a tire that just flew out of fucking nowhere.
Oh, wow.
I was stuck.
You know you can sue the city. They pay for your damage.
Tires are just
Yeah.
Just
Whatever city you was, is going to the city website, and then you can it's called I screenshot it to you, because whatever this costs, so whatever the damage costs, they pay you back.
That's crazy. My whole shit flew off, bro.
They pay that shit.
There's a piece underneath, bro. I thought my diffuser was fucked, bro.
It looks good. It definitely look good.
No, but I got the piece though for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate you for putting me on that.
Oh yeah, of course, bro. You know.
Come look at the front. At first, this shit was all pushed out, but then I pushed it back in.
Okay.
And then I got that shit down there.
Oh shit, I wouldn't even knew that till you said something.
That motherfucker. I mean, like, yeah, it's hating, but it's
Yeah. Yeah. No. When is your car? You just like,
bro.
it
That
still
shit
look good.
flew under, and I heard the. It was loud as shit. I was like, bro.
No.
I feel like it's a hole in the front of my shit, bro.
Damn, but it's still. I mean, shit. Shit, I can't. I still can't see it.
No, it's good.
But it's it's your shit. You know.
Yeah, it just made me mad, bro. I was like, just like when I heard my wheel, I was just like, damn, you couldn't see it.
You gotta come on the good side. That side's the dirty side. I mean, that side's the
whole
fuck.
side is good.
Hey,
Fuck,
man, look at this.
Integra shit.
Hey, man.
No, these are the points.
Oh, yeah, of course. One tap. I only got so much money.
Why don't white go hard as fuck? And
Bro.
He puts that brand new white panel.
All right, you guys. So I made it back to the crib, the house, and man, I'm really loving it, man. I just really loving it. My parents like it. My brother love it. It looks damn good, man. It looks so nice. The wheels really just popped the car off. Look at the 86 right here, looking good. Got my baby right there, the big girl over here, the Mustang, man. So we gotta do some stuff to this car. So I'm about to be alternating from car to car. There's a few more things I want to do to this car, but check out the Mustang. All that damn property, you get my shit dirty, man. But yeah, so damn, the wheels look so freaking nice. Sheesh. That white on white is something different, y'all. Jeez. This thing is nice. Nice. All right, you guys, so like I said, we got something coming up very soon. Definitely rebranding my Mortal Society brand. Hats, backpacks, t-shirts, hoodies, joggers, decals, key tags. Everything is going to be coming. I'm excited because this is real big, and I'm going to relaunch the website. So if you guys want to show support, if you want to get merch, that would definitely help my channel. Like I said, that would actually help me tremendously. Even if you just get the decals are $5. And if you guys get that, it just supports the channel majorly, because everything I get from that, I put it into the cars, and then I can get better content. Eventually I'm about to start doing racing videos. I'm gonna take the cars to the tracks. Eventually I'm gonna take the Mustang to a drag strip. Hopefully I can get the RSX fixed the way I want to, because I want to actually, I kind of want to do more just driving straight with the RSX, or I might take it to the track. So this just depends, but I do want to make it fast enough where I can just go straight through highway pools, or you know, some racing, to do some racing. Also the 86 is definitely gonna be the track car, take it to the track. So I'm trying to get everything situated. Very soon, hopefully very soon, I can start doing some racing, and it's gonna be amazing, man. I cannot wait. Eventually I could take the Mustang very soon. Gotta get some new wheels, tires. Shout out to the shop I went to. They always plug me on tires. I know the owner, super cool guy. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do. The Mustang is about to get rebuilt. Everything in my car collection is about to get rebuilt. It's about to be insane. What I do got coming up very soon, I'm going to be doing new banners for Mortal Society. Like I said, we're rebranding, so all of my cars are going to have new banners. It's going to be all the same, black and white, black background, white letters, Mortal Society, doper fonts. It's going to be so epic. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you guys on the behind the scenes as we get the hats, the t-shirts, everything done. All the merchandise is going to be done. I'm excited. This is definitely big for the brand, and thank you guys once again for all the support, because we are about to take over the YouTube platform, and I need you guys' support by continuing to show me love, continually, you know, just be awesome like you guys always are, man. Thank you guys so much for the channel support, man. It really means a lot, and it really helps, man. I've been doing YouTube for over 10 years. You know, I haven't got the opportunity to get the big platform like most of these YouTubers that blow up overnight, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I'm an underdog, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I'm being myself. I'm not trying to be nobody else but myself. And you know, and I'm documenting everything for y'all to watch, and for myself. Sometimes I love watching my old videos of the cars I used to have and the cars I have now, just to see how it started and where I went, you know what I'm saying? I'm not stopping, and it's just about to get crazy. The next car that I feel like, the next car that I will get is gonna be the Honda NSX, straight up. So y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, keep showing me support. The channel's gonna keep popping off. I'm definitely gonna start getting ready for the track racing. The temperatures are just too nuts and high right now, but I still want to get certain things done with all my builds, get certain things more running. But like I said, the whole thing was I wanted to get the RSX. I wanted to get the Integra fixed a little bit more, to keep, you know, to look good enough to be with the other sisters, you know what I'm saying? Because all the other cars are brand new. But I wanted to get the RSX, and there's still a few more things I got to do, and we're gonna get there. And yeah, so thank you guys so much again for all this love and support. I appreciate every one of you guys, because it means the world that you guys show me love and support the way you guys do. I'll see you guys on the next video. The next video, I don't know what it's gonna bring, but we're gonna do something. See you next. Peace.